Before. After.
Product information: size, length, width, height 7 cm x 5 cm x 12 quarts in the box. BIOAQUA Collagen Firming Sleeping Mask for milliliters x 20 pcs. The collagen ingredients contained in it are very easily absorbed by your skin, which will be useful to speed up metabolism on your face. Beneficial to slow down the aging process of facial skin, so that makes your face look firmer and can reduce wrinkles on the face. Product efficacy: contains skincare ingredients such as collagen, hydrolyzed silk, niacinamide and Korean imported raw materials. Helps improve skin dryness and dehydration. Usage tips: always clean face before wearing this face mask. 1. Remove the gel from the package and rub it on the face until it's even. 2. Relax and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. No need to wash your face again. Let's start. In
3, 2, 1.
Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Based on my experience, this product helps to moisturize my skin, and it heals some of my active acne. For the better result, I'll use the remaining boxes. Personal tips: drink a lot of water every day, sleep at least 8 hours per night. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by any of the brand or as mentioned throughout this video.